How to introduce yourself. Our introduction defines our personality and leaves an everlasting impression. A good introduction should therefore cover following parameters. First is full name. It should include both the names, your name and the title, along with your age. Next is background. It has city, country, school, etc. This will totally depend upon the situation you are in. For example, if your principal ma'am asks you to give the introduction, you will say your class. But if you go in an inter-school competition where there are a lot of students from different schools, in that situation, you will say the school you are from. Therefore, this can be changed depending upon the situation. Next is family details. This includes parents and siblings detail. Mention both your parents' name and their occupation, along with a small detail about the siblings. There is no need to tell their names. Next is student details. This includes your class, your favorite subject, and interests. This is the point where you can tell something more about yourself. You can pick up your favorite subject and your interested field. Next is hobbies. This is a very interesting part. Here, apart from all the academics, you can say something different about yourself. That is what you love to do in your free time. It can be some sports, gardening, cooking, or even reading books or just playing games can also come under hobbies. Next is ambition in life. Everybody aspires and works hard towards becoming something in life. I'm sure you do also have one. So always remember to mention the ambition. Like, for example, you can say, I want to become a doctor and I want to become a successful gynecologist. Next is ideal of your life. This is one of the beautiful part of the introduction. Here you get an opportunity to talk about a personality who has always inspired you. You can mention any celebrity or a famous personality name or even a family member who can be your ideal person. So this is how you will compile it. Let us understand the entire thing with the help of an example. We have a boy named Aman from Kolkata. He has recently moved to New Delhi because of his father's transferable job. Today is his first day at school and his class teacher has asked him to introduce himself in front of his new classmates. So this is how he should give his. Hello friends, I am Aman Mehra. I am 13 years old. I am from Kolkata, the city of joy. I have recently moved to New Delhi with my family. My father's name is Alok Mehra. He is an army officer. My mother's name is Uma Mehra and she is a software engineer. I have a younger sister who is in class 4. My favorite subjects are geography and maths. I also love computer programming. I also play a lot of sports. Cricket and football are my favorite. Lionel Messi is my favorite player. In my free time, I spend time reading storybooks and playing guitar. I have recently completed reading the Harry Potter novel series. It is a fun and interesting read. Apart from these, I love to travel with my family for vacation. We have visited Bhutan during our last summer holidays. My ambition of life is to become an astronaut and make my country proud. APJ Abdul Kalam is the ideal of my life. I am very much inspired by his intellect and humbleness. We just saw Aman introducing himself to his new classmates. He aptly used the basics of self introduction. I am sure this example would have made the concept behind self introduction clear to you all. Now you can mold it as per the situation you need to introduce yourself in. Now, it will be prudent for all of you to prepare your introduction on similar lines and practice it thoroughly. Thank you.